It's me, Mikey Pipes. Got something special for you today. Swapping out a 2-loop radiant manifold that's FUBAR. FUBAR means effed up beyond all recognition. Stick around, you're not going to want to miss how we swap this manifold out and put an Uponor EP 2-zone. Let's go. We used the multi-tool to enlarge the hole, disconnected the 2 half-inch loops, but my God.
Wow.
One
of those no flow.
I think he may just have to abandon everything and replace everything. There's that much buildup in the piping. Kevin! Better make $1 million. Wow.
Want me to get him?
And that's a brass fitting too, by the way.
Want me to get him?
So I want you to get him? Nah, we'll keep him in limbo.
Alright.
We'll keep him in surprise. This is like...
That's insane.
Now, we are in Long Beach, and we do have horrible water here, but... Oh, my God. Yeah. Look at that. Let's see. Is it brass?
What are the connections?
No, it's brass. Oh, is it black?
It looks black.
Oh, it's black. That's why.
What about the
I swear, it looks like brass, though. But it's black. What about the connection?
connections right at the manifold? How bad are those?
Oh, you want to see?
Yeah, they bad.
Hold on.
That's all I have to tell.
Oh, you know what? I'm not even gonna pull it. Hold on. Wow. Holy shit. And I'm not unfiltering this either. This is going on the real channel. Wow. Should I cut this stud out of the way? Yeah, maybe I can get that. Maybe I can get that one out of there without disturbing, without cutting the pecs. Wow.
Oh, you're allowed. They just cut the hole in for the pegs.
Yeah. All right, I'm gonna take off this one. We'll take this manifold out, and then we'll do a little show and tell. Show me yours, I'll show you mine. Okay. Hold on. Oh, almost got you. Oh, did look at that. I always try to feed one-handedly. All right, open the front door. Let's go right outside with this bad boy. Wow. So, look at that. Not as bad as it looked like up there, but maybe we disturbed some crap around. You could do it. Yeah, look at all that crap in there. Wow, hold on, just do like this.
Gosh.
We have to get water now because we're gonna stay in the sidewalk. Sorry, I fucked up. Oops, I crushed too. Wow. All right. That is a problem. And that is also a problem. Wow. Wow. And look, even the adapters, right? Even each adapter is twisted. There's that much buildup. All right. I would like you to try to carefully take off, I thought it was brass, these 2 bushings.
Okay.
And yeah, we gotta take them out. And we're gonna have to get creative here. You have that cutter? No, Mike's has the PEX ring cutter, right? Yeah.
You can just use these.
Yeah, all right. Because this is maybe a little bit too short. Let me get the manifold from the truck. You try to take those off. It's hard. Okay. Return. Supply. Hopefully you got it right. Was the old one? The red is on bottom. It's all right. Now, if we open up this and open up this. Oh, cocky.
Yeah.
That's why I love these Uponor valves.
It's getting worse, actually.
Nope.
It's getting clear now.
Good. All right. Yeah, that is
Getting
filthy.
dark again.
Yeah, I'm just gonna do this.
chocolate. Oh.
It's gonna manipulate the valves a little bit. Look at that.
That's dark. Peter after Taco Bell.
Me after Taco Bell.
Wow.
Just needs a little more pressure.
To make, I was gonna say make our lives easier, we can get the real garden hose.
That way both of us could send different heads in our buckets.
That's right. Actually, we're doing this all wrong. I need to be sitting over there like on a chair watching. Maybe having a union smoke
Well,
break.
see, now, if you did that, the entire job would be fucked up within 5 minutes. So,
Okay.
10.
Yeah, is this ever gonna get clear?
Probably not.
How about jump, keep the pressure on the boiler like high.
So on the return side, you're actually pulling right off the feed.
Oh,
So
all right, yeah, okay, so we're good. We just gotta make sure we keep pressure though.
I could push it. Yeah.
Yeah, let's maintain pressure.
It's one of those ones that you can push down.
All right, so that's that there. All right, I am going, let's close this back. All right, and let's go to the bottom. Ooh, what's gonna be tight? I don't know if I can get the valve and the hose in here. That's gonna be a little tricky. Let's see. All right, now let's take the. Oh, making a mess. Told me we should burn down the house. Am I gonna be able to get this in there?
Let me go dump this out.
Okay, you go dump that out. That's gonna be a pain in the butt. I can use a little hose on top though. Don't worry, I'll get it done. Not kinked. Not kinked. Okay, now let's close this one. Let's open up this one. Oh, I don't want any crap getting into the zones. Let's open up this. Okay, that's fully open. Now,
Sounds like me after Taco Bell.
alright.
It's alright. It's gonna get worse here in a second. I can feel it.
Alright, that's pretty clear on that side. So let's close this now. Alright, and let's take off from here. And we're gonna connect to here, and then we'll purge out each loop individually. So let's take this there, connect to there, open, and that'll ready Christian. So we're gonna open up this. All right, that's open. Now let's do this one first. Okay. So now my one loop is there. Obviously this one, look at that. Get all the air out. Open. Still getting flow? Yep, we're still getting flow. So this is actually my supply, and that's the return. What a cocky.
I mean, yeah.
All right. We have almost a steady stream of water. No air. Ideally, we want to keep the hose in the water bucket if we can see any bubbles. So stick the hose in the water, and we'll see if we have any bubbles. I can hear them. I can hear them here. Let me see. Oh, that's just a drip from the other one. I know this is the one. Or is it? No. Yeah, this is that loop, and it returns here. See that? Look at that. So you gotta, let's see, let's pressurize this a little bit. All right, let's get some pressure there. We'll close that. That's gonna fill up. All right, almost, come on. Okay, now let's open this back up. And push that pocket of air right out of there. A little pocket right there, though. There, now it's gone. Just gotta tap it. Tap it a little bit, okay. So let's close this one. All right, and now we're gonna focus on the other one. So when I open up this, we should see water run through from the boiler. There we go. Let's get the air. Getting that air. Okay. All right, the cap fell off, but it's okay. If it's not on, that means it's open. Uponor. It's cement board here. 2 layers of it. See that? No pockets of air. That's a good thing. Okay. I think we're good. Think we're good?
No bubbles.
Okay, so now we're gonna close that. Open up this. Open up the other zone. The other loop, sorry. Okay. So now, they're both open. The only thing we need to do now is adjust flow. So let's raise this to, make this a gallon a minute. Make this one also a gallon a minute. Yep. Okay, good stuff. All right, we are at 90-ish degrees. It's been about 10 minutes, heating up. Take a look at that though.
This one's worse.
Look how much cocky's in there.
There's like, it's like pinhole.
Look at that. I didn't expect any flow through there. Crazy. Absolutely crazy. Wow. Let's leave these off to the side for now. How's that one?
Same.
Yep. Wow. He said he has a water filter, huh?
I have a question that before you flush out the pipes, we had the garage heat work. Now it doesn't. Is it anything to do
It's
with
probably the same thing, the same failure like we had here.
what?
Everything's clogged up. Nice. 115.
Can you just at least just check that because it was working before.
Garage door.
Uponor. Tits. So we have, barely, it's getting there though. So it takes a little bit of time. Problem is, they got a Navien with a bad dual inventory.
Terribly.
So we need to find some other.
Chris, you're being attacked. By Stoley. By Stoley. Golden wiener.
Oh shit! He's shit in the house too.
Oh, goddamn dog.
I can't scold
You
him.
damn baby puppy. You took a shit in the house? You know better.
He has no recollection.
Yeah.
Absolutely none.
What
Damn.
do you mean? I didn't do shit.
Damn it.
Wiener.
Well, if one thing could happen today, at least we got his foyer half working.
Quarter.
Well, half of the 2 loops work. He's so effed, by the way.
Oh yeah, he is.
Stoley.
Burn down the house.
Yeah, that's what I told him. The brand new Navien NHB 150 has already DOA. It's got a bad dual venturi and a main board. Psst, POS Navien. Throw that shit in the garbage and get yourself a Bosch or even a Lochinvar. All right, guys. Be well. God bless. Have a great weekend. Love you guys. All right. I got a question for the community because I think I kind of know the answer, but I'm seeing this a lot with high efficiency systems. So much cocky inside the fittings. Even the brass fittings had a buildup of cocky. The stainless steel manifolds had a buildup of cocky. The gentleman had an NTI boiler for 7 years, a wall hung, boiler only, that died. Literally died. Multiple internal leaks. And I offered him as our only recommendation that we can guarantee would be a Bosch Green Star. The boiler only because he's got an indirect. But he didn't want to pay the money. And I said, listen, maybe think of another brand. I don't even want to install it for you, but maybe consider a Navien. So he considered it, and that's what he got, an NHB 150 that reluctantly we installed for him. And then we added by Spirovent the nice 1.25" multi-positional air separator and magnetic filter. And it's been installed for about 2 months, and he tells me, Mike, every 2 weeks, I take a bucket underneath, I close some valves, open this one up, and all this crap comes out. But the question is, why is there so much crap? Let's address water quality. He has an Aquasana Rhino filter, and granted, he admits that he only changes the filter the pre-filter, that fiber-based filter. He changes it every 3 or 4 months, or when he remembers to. So maybe that's once a year, or maybe it's every 2 years. I think he only changes it when the pressure in the house is no bueno. But why is there so much caulking? I had a YouTube subscriber send me this picture. Let me see if I can pull it up. Here it is. This guy's name is Bill. He's in Connecticut. He's got this NCB 240, right? And there's the water. And I just want to scroll up, so I don't want you to, privacy. I don't have to show his name, but he works at Yale. See, they're the circulators. The system is 18 months old. 18 months old. There it is. Right? And he has 2 air handlers with hydro coils. All the piping is copper or PEX, and the only thing cast iron are the 2 circulators. Right? There it is. Right? Full disclosure, NCB. Right? Also got a leak there as well. And he had the water company do a water test and showed him results, and everything is normal. He sends also a sample to Navien, and they say everything is through the roof. Obviously, someone is lying. But I wonder what's going on. Let's take a look at the water sample results. So here are the water sample results that Navien found. Right? And it says, looks like you're out of spec for hardness. Right? And let me show you. And these are the results the water company provided. See a difference there? Pause. Now look at that. There's a big difference there. Obviously, someone is lying. And I'll scroll across again, right? A little bit more. But something's up here. Something is up. So, I'm asking the community for help. We all need to learn from one another. And it's a great forum right here. Let me get your thoughts and feedback down in the comment section down below. Nothing like ending the amazing week with beautiful weather, 59 degrees, nice little fire for supplemental heat. Got my Stoli Elite on the rocks. And I think I'm going to break out a cigar or two. And maybe invite over the fellas. All right, guys. Cheers. TGIF. Hope you all have a great weekend. Spend some time with your family, your loved ones, your friends. And remember, we grind on Monday. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.